Hey there, I have a message for you. Did you know I have hundreds of detailed tutorials showing on a step-by-step in how to cut and style all types of hair in my app? Plus, you can be part of a private community where you can ask all your questions directed to me and, of course, connect with barbers all over the world. If you want to become a barber with a high performance and make six-figure a year, join us. The link is on the description on this video. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back here to one more class, and today we're gonna work a little bit harder because this is gonna be a long mullet, that is gonna challenge you guys, but it's very easy. Just follow the step. Just everything that I'm gonna say it, just follow and practice. The more you practice, the more comfortable you're gonna deal with this hair. So there's not a monster, you can't be confused in this one, because by mapping out the head, doing your big section, big separation of panels, then we'll work on your subsections to create your shape and your style. It's gonna be very easy. Just grooming to have more grip and precise cutting line, and also control the hair. Spread the grooming from the root to the ends and the tip of the hair. Mess with this. Let's work on the sides. I'm going to bring everything to my length, the length that I choose. Okay. And I'm going to cut behind my fingers. Get a feather razor that is very, very sharp. And make sure there's no hair longer than the other, okay? Same thing here on this side. Groom everything. How do you going to find your length to match the other side, right? How do you do that? By using the points of your ears. Make sure everything is there, nice and even. So both sides are done. So since I finished the sides already, I'm grooming the hair forward so this hair won't bother me. I'm clipping, and I'm gonna work throughout the back. I'm gonna start working on my length, which I'm gonna leave very, very long. Just cut like a finger width. Choosing my length. Make sure everything is even. I have a piece here that is uneven. Let me kind of clean it. So my comb and my razor are in my hands. I'm going to take vertical sections. Instead, I'm using my scissors. I'm going to use my feather razor. It's going to be pulled in 90 degrees here, okay? And I'm going to cut my length. My length will fall on top. My length will fall on top of my occipital bone. Let me clean this a little more. Remember, this is going to be very, very easy. All feather razor. To get more precise cutting line, I'm going to work on the other side now. Grab both. My new, which is this one, my old, which is this one, and my new, which is longer. So now I just follow. Very, very simple. Groom the hair with tension. So this section is going to be from the back and a little bit from the sides. Pick them together. Put them together. Find you guys from behind and kind of cut it. Now the hair is connected. I'm going to work my fringe now. So now I have a tiny bit from this side, which is I'm gonna take my length from there, and a tiny bit from this side. So I'm gonna meet them together in the center, and I'm going to cut my length matching the sides. Just make sure cutting everything equal, everything to this. So to be able to style this hair, I want the look, the outcome looks natural, more like a silk natural look with more movement here. But on the top, the hair is gonna lay down here in my line, the first line that I cut it, and also I'm going to apply this paste. And after the paste, I'm going to apply a sea salt. Sea salt, I'm gonna dry this very natural coming down here. That's why the sea salt is gonna help me with this. Spread well the product in your hands until you can only feel it but not see it. So use your hands, okay, on the sides. This is how I style this long mullet style. All feather razor. This is the paste. I'm going to apply on the root as well. So sea salt spray. It's gonna help me dry fast and in place, the place that I want to. So here's what I'm gonna do. Pressure, medium heat. I'm drying the hair that is on top of the ear. Behind the ears. Just here for now, not the top. Let's continue to dry into the back. So in the back center, I'm gonna push everything down, all the way down to the occipital. I'm not drying here yet. With pressure, right in the center. I want to put a lot of pressure. I don't want much volume here, because this hair I want to bring on top of this one. Go with my vent brush. I pick the hair from the top, bring it down to my line, and twisted the hair. And I want to create wings here. The center will be flat, and the wings will be fall on top of the flatness right here. Use your creativity to do your styles. Hey! I was using my wider tooth comb, but now I'm using my regular comb. I'm going to use Manspire clips. This is going to help me. You see how I pull this hair on top of the ears. I'm going to hold with the comb. This clip is very wide, which is gonna give me, gonna go hold the hair there, the center here. I'm gonna put 2 on each side. I want to blow the hair away with pressure. I'm using my diffuser. Can be low pressure and low heat. I'm gonna work on the sides. I'm feeling the hair. If the hair is going to be dried 100%. Low heat, low pressure. I'm gonna tight and press the center. When you work with creative style, guys, you need to be detail oriented, okay? So hairspray to hold and give some longevity, and finish the last details. Now you know this was I mentioned to you guys when I said I'm gonna cut everything 100% with feather razor. I did everything with feather razor, and you look now, take a look around, and you're gonna see how this hair fall just as I explained it to you. I parted where the hair parts naturally. You can do even on the center, but look around from the back. It's slightly longer, shorter here around below the crown, around the occipital bone, the wings that I create. So this is the final look. Check it out. All the hair from the top is sit in my line here, as you can see. how it came out. So, and a suggestion for you guys, again, always get a mannequin head. Just follow the step and it's going to be very, very easy to execute. This is not a monster. Just follow the step and follow the techniques. You can mix product. You can use different tools to achieve this. It's all depend on how much understanding you have about the principle of cutting hair, and also understanding about tools, having knowledge about products as well.